Solve this example using the quick sort. Here are the element 20, 54, 48, 37, 12, 92, 86 and 07. Consider this is your pivot point. To find out the partition point, consider this is pivot point and search the element greater than this inside this remaining array from this. Okay, from left to right, search the element greater than this pivot point and the less than element from this right side to left side inside the array. Okay, consider V is your 20 is your partition first pivot point, then I is 54. 54 is greater than 20. Okay, so set I is here and from this end the element less than this, so 7 is here. So if there is element found, then swap these two element. So our array is 20, swap I and j only. So here is 7, then 48, 37, 12, 92, 86 and here value is 54. Okay, here this I at this location and j is here. Okay, j is here, swapping of I and j. Then again consider the element greater than 20 is 48, element is here, less than 20 is here, so again swap I and j. So our elements are 20, here is 7, then swap I and j, so 12 is here, then 37, then 48, then 92, then 86 and then 54. Okay, this is our array. Okay, now again find out the element greater than 20 from this side. So 37 is greater than this 20 and the element less than 20 from this side, no any element till this. So here you will find the element j less than your pivot point. So when the situation j is less than I, then you replace the swap j with your v and make this point as a partition point. So here our array is 12, 7, here is your 20, so make it as a circle. Okay, first, then next element is 37, then 48, then 92, then 86 and last one is here 54. Okay, so in this array we will got the partition point. So divide this array based on partition point into two parts. This is first part and this is second part and solve independently. So consider the only this part 12 and 7. This first part, divide and conquer strategy. So divide the element. Again consider this as a v and this is your next element. Okay, so find out the element greater than 12, no any element greater than the 12. Find the element less than 12, so here is 12. So swap this with your first point, this is your pivot point. So here is your 7 and this is 12, this is your pivot point, this is a partition point. Okay, so this 12 is a partition point. Again sort the left and right side. Here is only left side, so here is the element 7 and single element is always sorted, so it is also sorted list. So now this side is complete. Now next see this side. Here elements are 37, 48, 92, 86 and 54. These are the element of this right part. Now here also consider first element as a pivot point and the element greater than this is 48. Element less than this is no any element less than this, so j less than I. At that time consider this as a pivot point and this is your list. Okay, now sort the only the right part of this pivot point because there is a no left side, so sort the only remaining right side. Okay, so consider the element 48, 92, 86 and 54. Okay, consider only this side. Again here use the algorithm. For 48 is your, consider here 48 is your pivot point and the element greater than this is 92 and element less than this is no any element. Here the case j is less than I, so this is your partition point. So 48 is now your partition point. Okay, so consider only the element 92, 86 and 54. Here is only right side, so solve this right side only. Okay, so our array is 92, 86 and 54. This is only our array. This is the right side of partition point 48. Okay, now solve this array. Here 92, 86, 54. Consider this as a pivot point and the element greater than this is no any element greater than this, but the element less than this is j. So put this 92 here. So 54 is here, 86 is here and 92 is here. This is our partition point. So give the circle here. This is our partition point. So remaining list here is only left hand side, no right hand side. Okay, so consider only 54 and the 86 here. Again, in the same way, consider 54 as a pivot point and element greater than this is I, and element less than 54, no element less than 54, so j. So consider 54 as a pivot point and here is 86. Okay, so 54 is also in a sorted list. Now next element is only 86 and single element is always sorted element, so 86 is now sorted. After this, write all the elements at the end of this. Okay, so now conquer all the elements. So first element is our 7, then 12, then 20, then 37, then 48, then 54, 48, then our next element is 54, then 86 and then 92. This is a sorted list of elements at the end of this. You can mark this type of arrow also for the better understanding. This next element is 22, then 37. In this way you can write the here for the all the elements. Okay, then write the for the 54, then for the 86, and this is a sorted list of element by using the quick sort algorithm. Thank you. You can try the more example in this way. See, this is your array. Consider this as a pivot point and I is find the element less than greater than this pivot point I and the element less than pivot point from this side. Then swap I and j. Here maintain the two condition. If I is less than j, then swap these two. But when I is greater than j, then swap this j with your pivot point and make this as a partition point and swap in the left side and right side. This is your partition point. Based on this, sort this side independently and this side. Again divide this based on the partition point and solve till the end of your array. Thank you.